You must be wondering why I'm putting tape on my face. Well, don't you worry. I'm just having a little fun today with the tape test. You can do it too. All you need is a sellotape. A tape test is nothing but applying tape to your face and leaving it on for a couple of minutes. And then, when you peel it off, what you see is dead skin on the tape. If your tape looks like mine, then what we need is exfoliation. But before that, let's just understand exfoliation. Exfoliation is the process of removing dead skin cells from the surface of our skin. The skin naturally exfoliates itself every 30 days by removing the dead skin cells to make place for the new skin cells. But sometimes it doesn't shed completely, and that's when you need to introduce your skin to a product that can exfoliate. Exfoliating once or twice weekly is recommended because it will prevent clogged pores, result in fewer breakouts, skin looks brighter, increased collagen production, and easy absorption of skincare products. But how to exfoliate? It's simple. Open up this jar of overnight exfoliating Radiance mask, take some on your fingertips and apply it on the 5 points of your face, and start dabbing in an outward motion till completely absorbed. Let the mask work its magic overnight. This overnight exfoliating Radiance mask will exfoliate your skin up to 26% in just 30 minutes and give you that soft, radiant glow. Don't forget your sunscreen the next day to keep the glow intact. What are you waiting for? Like, share and subscribe to our channels to get the pink glow on thepinkfoundry.com.